Cabri 3D is a 3D visualization tool that allows secondary school students to explore the properties of 3D space and solid geometry with mathematical rigour. The product is closely aligned to the shape, space and measures aspect of the Maths national curriculum. Students can quickly create and manipulate shapes in creative ways that would be impossible to replicate with solid objects.
For the maths teacher, trying to operate in 3 dimensions is something you can't do very easily with a piece of paper. If you can have a piece of software that allows you to look at a shape from any direction, create a plane, reflect a 3-dimensional shape using that plane, that just opens the doors to so many more things you can do.
This software is really easy to use and quite easy to understand.
You learn that not everything's like what it seems.
How many cubes can we see now?
7.
7. Okay, where's the 7th one?
You can see the corner of it around the side.
Just see the corner of it. Now how many cubes can we see?
8.
8. Are you sure?
9.
To actually be able to use mathematical constructions, things that children maybe in the past would have done through a compass and a protractor and a pencil, but now be able to use IT to do it, but to construct in 3 dimensions. It gives them a chance to look at it in a very different way. With some children, it's like a light bulb coming on.
I think it's quite good because we can do a lot more with the shapes on this software than we could like on paper or something.
I think it would make 3D shapes and that in maths a lot easier for some people that struggle to understand it.
The other way we can use it is to support things like design technology. It allows the children to develop that way of thinking, that way of visualising a product, how it's actually made, how it's put together, how they could deconstruct it to make it again.
The software itself enabled students to develop that 3D cognitive ability rather than doing the traditional sort of drawings and then working towards either card or clay models. So they had that ability straight away to link an idea into something that was 3-dimensional.
One of the things that I really like about this software is it's fun. The children are getting a real buzz out of using it because it's so different and it's developing a real creative side of them in mathematics which we don't normally see. If I can just add one quote from the Ofsted Evaluating Mathematics provision for 14 to 19-year-olds. Teaching that focuses on developing students' understanding of mathematical concepts and enhances their critical thinking and reasoning, together with a spirit of collaborative inquiry that promotes mathematical discussion and debate. I think Cabri does that absolutely brilliantly, and that's the highest praise you can give to a piece of software.